Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a small works haul. Thought I'd pop on and share a few bits that picked up in the sale there. Mainly, actually I think it's all Christmas related. Just a few bits. Yeah, I thought I'd pop on and share. So the first thing that picked up was these bells. They're quite large actually, Christmas bells. They were down to £1.50. I'm not sure how many you get in there, but it comes in a nice container, which obviously I can alter for another use, and it's great to store those in there. So I picked up, they did have silver, gold, and I think maybe green, but I just picked up the red in those. Then picked up this was down to 75p, and it's just the like shred. But because they did have Christmassy colours, but I've got quite a lot of the Christmas colours. I just thought this was quite nice for any Happy Mail really, any time of year. Even like, you know, in the summer you could use this for any occasion. So I picked up that for 75p. Picked up these, I thought these were quite nice. You get 4 in a pack Hessian pouches. It says ideal for small gifts, table treats, or even cutlery holders. They were down to £1. I just thought they'd be quite nice if I get like jewellery, or I'm just going to open that, guys, just so I can see how big they are inside. Yeah, so if I, you know, get jewellery, you could hang that on the tree. I suppose I could put a little, you could attach a little bit of ribbon. So they've got like an elastic, so they don't close fully, they're just elasticated, which I guess would be great to have on the Christmas table for cutlery. But yeah, no, I think I could attach a bit of ribbon there to hang on the tree. You can also put ribbon around, actually. I could alter these, tie ribbon around it to sort of close it a bit more. But yeah, I think that's quite nice. For you get 4 in there for £1. They're even nice to send out Happy Mail in, like Christmas Happy Mail. Yeah, picked up those for £1. Then picked up these. These are little reindeer paper bags. You get, what is it, 4 in a pack for £1. Yeah, I just got these to put away for next year. I thought it would be quite nice to give out little treats and things. Or those smaller gifts over Christmas are great for teachers as well, if you're just giving them a little gift. So I got those. Then picked up these. I thought these were, it says Christmas ribbon on it, but the colours aren't necessarily Christmassy to me. So I just thought I could use this all year round. So you've got this wired, how do you get 4 meters on each, and these were down to, they were obviously originally 150. I think they were down to 75p or 70p, something like that. And I just thought I could use this. I thought these would be quite nice for birthday, or again Happy Mail. You can just wrap presents up in this. I could even try making flowers with this kind of ribbon. I thought that'd be quite nice to try. So I've got the velvet one, and then this like glittery one. So I got those, and then the last thing I picked up was a couple of these. These were down to £1.50, and it says on the label Christmas Eve. Don't know if you can see that, Christmas Eve boxes, but it doesn't actually say Christmas Eve on the actual box. So obviously you can give these out as gifts. It just says Santa's coming, I know him. It's got the elf, image of the elf there. Again, you could alter this because it is just a pink. It's not, it looks quite red on the camera, but it is quite like a pink colour, so you could cover this. I'm not sure what the base part is, but inside you get these stickers and you get these alphas. So you could write a message on the front. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to use them as Christmas Eve boxes. I'm most probably going to use these to give out Happy Mail in, and they were down to £1.50. I think they were originally, is it £3? Yeah, I think they were originally £3. So I got a few of those. And that's it, guys. That's all I got from the works. Yeah, I hope you're all having a great time off over the Christmas holiday with family and stuff. And I will catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.